Today I will show you how to get to the Plek Caves in Oaklands in the new update. You will need a refined scuba tank for this. Okay, so starting from the Lumite Shop, we drive forward and then take a left here. After that, drive forward again until you reach the big lake. Then you can jump into the big lake. Inside this lake you will see normal kelp. Navigate to where I show you here. Once you've found the Magma Area, drive forward like I do. After this, you can keep driving forward to the Plek Caves. Also in the new update, Plek is not submerged underwater, so you do not have to jump and go out of the Plek Caves to actually breathe again. Now you can get your Plek. After getting your Plek, you now have to get out somehow. But getting out is kind of straightforward. You just drive straight forward on the path to get out. If you want to exit near the Lumite Shop, you will have to go left. And here you should go right if you want to exit to the Lumite Shop. Alright, and there you have it. See you next time.